Good afternoon. My name is David. I'm from South Los Angeles, in particular Arcadia, California. I decided to tap into the drone system because I have a son who just graduated from college 2 years ago, and he really doesn't know which direction he wants to go in as far as his future. He has a degree in criminal justice, but he likes the fact that I work for myself, and he kind of wants to do the same thing. So I thought this would be a good avenue. He does photography on the side, as a little side hustle that he does. And I also took a class in photography when I was in college. And I guess fortunately, I have to take photographs every day for my job. But at any rate, again, I tapped into the drone business because I want to try to create a future for my sons, my daughters, because I have 4 children. But I'd like to build a corporation that they can carry on and build a long-term wealth for each other, for all our family. And when I'm dead and gone, they can carry it on.